Hey, what's on YouTube? This is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode, man. Today's episode, I'm gonna unbox this Stylecraft Apex. So, that's it. I had something very similar to this one before. Till now, it's my favorite and for me, the best clipper for me. And it's a Keeper Power Up, a brushless motor. And I hope this one will be also the same. This one is not a brushless motor, but still the same. Both are rotary motor. Before we unbox this clipper, let's read some of the specs. So, first of all, it looks like this. See that? So, and got 4 hours operating time, which is good, and got clicking lever. You can make it a freestyle lever or a clicking lever. It's a full metal body, heavy duty. Also got DLC blade, got transparent case, and also got 7,200 RPM with a magnetic guide compass. And I guess, I don't know, I guess got also a stretch bracket. So now let's unbox this clipper. Alright. So, looks like this. Okay. Got a charging dock. This is the clipper, clicking lever. So got a lot of guards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oof, I guess it's 8 guide comps. Got 8 guide comps. And charging cable. Screwdriver. I was changing it because it comes all red out. And little brush, oil, cam follower, and a stretch bracket. The manual. So this is the clipper. With a fade blade. And I really like this cutter blade. It's a deep tooth cutter blade. A thin cutter blade. Charging port. So,